Amongst the many Power Ranger franchises from the early 90s of the Zordon era, one of the lesser known and forgotten series is Ninja Sentai Kaku Ranger, or better known by its American name of Mighty Morphin Alien Rangers. When the Lightning Collection from Hasbro decided to release figures based upon this franchise, no human heads came with the figures, as with most other figures in the lineup. One of the perks of this collection is that fans have the opportunity to swap out the Mighty Morphin heads and place them on these figures. Jason's head goes with the Red Ranger, Zack with the Black Ranger, Billy with the Blue Ranger, and Kimberly with the White Ranger. However, the trouble comes with Trini. Trini's head doesn't fit with the tall, muscular build. My suggestion would be to create a female version of the Yellow Ninja Ranger. To do this, you need the Yellow Dino Thunder Ranger. You'll need a bottle of nail polish remover to remove all the designs and paint. Once all the original paint and designs have been removed from the Dino Thunder figure, we then begin applying the corresponding designs to the male Yellow Ninja Ranger figure. And just like that, you have a female version that's compatible with Trini's head. Thanks for watching. For more questions, please comment below or follow on Instagram at Ranger Toy Pics.